bodyguards dito sa Blue Ribbon hearing. Can you put this on record or send someone from the Blue Ribbon Committee to go upstairs sa office po ni Senator Robin Padilla para to inquire the good senator kung sasamahan niya ba yung 18 bodyguards dito sa Blue Ribbon hearing. Yes, just to put on record para ika nga mas maayos po dahil while we're conducting this hearing, ongoing din po yung kanilang press conference po doon sa taas. So might as well, mabuti ho, bumaba na lang ho sila dito para ika nga, mailahat nila yung gusto nilang sabihin, matanong po natin sila maayos. And like ho dito na puro press conference po sila. So Committee Secretary, I'm directing you to send one of your staff or your personnel to invite.
Ay,